Tune in tonight for the season premiere of Lizard Lagoon. Last time, Billy and Hank were trying to work out the differences. To no avail. How is Linda coping after her chemical peel mishap? Meanwhile, the students at Lizard U prepare for their push-up contest after Mitch's tragic death. Wait, is that Mitch? He was last seen being carried away by a bird. Tensions boil over as Billy and Hank can only agree on one thing. Fighting. I know karate. You don't know karate. Improve it. Yeah, take that. Mitch is back. And a whole lot of action. Tune in or hide in the bushes and watch. Only on the Lizard Channel.